Have you thought about having different streams of income like sis? Or have you thought about being your own boss, like being in your parlor and you're making your money without having to answer for anybody or without having to report to anybody? Where in more coins will teach you how to do that. We teach you how to be your own boss. We teach you how to make money online, and especially in cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll be showing you the 6th best working method on how people are making money online today, on how people are making millions today, and you can do that with your smartphone. So I'm going to show you how to make money online with your smartphone. Without further ado, let's dive in. So the number one in our list is cryptocurrency. A lot of people think cryptocurrency is an online means of earning money, but it's actually more than that. What is cryptocurrency? Like dollar. Let's say, for example, dollar. And if you earn dollar online, is it an online means of earning money? No, it's not an online means of earning money. It is a currency. Cryptocurrency is actually a currency. So it's a digital currency. It's a currency in a digital form. You can't feel it, you can't touch it. Well, I have videos explaining what actually cryptocurrency and cryptography is. You can check out my videos if you want to learn more. So, how can you earn money in cryptocurrency with your smartphone? There are different means of earning money from cryptocurrency. Number one, from mining. Mining cryptocurrency. A lot of people are still mining cryptocurrency. When I say cryptocurrency, I'm not limiting my cryptocurrency explanation to Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is actually the first cryptocurrency in existence. But when I say cryptocurrency, I mean all coins, all tokens, and everything under cryptocurrency. So there are different coins presently now that are up for mining, which the one I'm very, very sure of now and I am mining is King cryptocurrency. King is actually out or up for mining, so you can mine King presently now because it is still on its development stage and the price is still minimal. You can check out my videos that I made on how to mine King or how to earn King online. You can check the description below. Number two way on how you can make money from cryptocurrency is by trading. Now, before you trade cryptocurrency as a beginner or as someone that has been in cryptocurrency, before you start trading, you need to have an in-depth knowledge of what cryptocurrency is, and you need to have an in-depth knowledge on how to do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and how to analyze the market properly well before you can actually be a successful trader. You can either trade short or you trade long. Now, trading makes a lot of money, but at the same time is also very, very risky. That is why you need to do your own research before you trade any coin. Number three way of making money in cryptocurrency is by copy trading. Now, this is a new means that I have introduced other than trading. Now, instead of you doing technical analysis and the rest, the expert traders can do that for you while you copy their trade. Binance have integrated this function. So if you want to trade with Binance, you can check my Binance link in the description and also register on Binance and start learning and trading. So another method how you can make money online from cryptocurrency is by staking and lending. It's kind of simple. You stake or you ask the platform or decentralized platform to hold your coin for you. While they are holding it for you, you are earning money, or you can lend it out to people that will borrow it and you earn interest. Another means where you can earn money from cryptocurrency is through airdrops. Airdrops is kind of a means where new cryptocurrencies are being given out to people in order for them to get more holders or for popularity or for advertisement. This is airdrops, and a lot of people, especially me, have made a lot from airdrop, and the best platform which I make my airdrops or I make my money from airdrops is Latoken. I will drop my link to Latoken in the description. You can also register and start making your own money in Latoken. I will also soon to come, I will make a detailed video on how you can earn money from airdrop from Latoken. Another means you can make money online from cryptocurrency is by investing. You can simply say by holding. That is, you buy a coin that has a long-term potential and you hold it for a long time, and as the price appreciates, your money increase. So that is another means of earning money from cryptocurrency. Presently famous means NFT. NFT space have changed a lot of things in cryptocurrency. What is NFT? Non-fungible tokens. In soon to come, I'll make a detailed video on what an NFT is, on how to earn money from NFT or by buying and flipping NFTs. So another means of earning money from cryptocurrency is using trading bots. Even Binance has also integrated this trading bot. That is, you invest in the bot and the bot trade for you. You don't have to do the technical analysis and the rest. A lot of people are also earning money from this. So our number 2 on how to make money online is from YouTube and content creation. Now, a lot of content creators are making millions online, especially in YouTube. Now, when I say YouTube and content creation, actually YouTube is also under content creation, but I want to emphasize on YouTube. If you are into any business at all or any handwork at all, take it online, take it in YouTube, and you can even make money online while you are also doing your physical work. That is, you can be teaching, you can be showing people how to do what you do online, and you'll be making money. And content creation, blogging and the rest, vlogging, you can vlog in YouTube, you can blogging, you have a blog site. There are a lot of sites where you can create a free website and you start blogging. You have WordPress, you have Blogspot, you have Whisk, and a lot of them. You can create content, and while you get traffic, you'll be making a lot of money. And how do you make money from all the? You make money from AdSense, YouTube AdSense, and Google AdSense, and the rest. You make money from them. The number 3rd way on how you can earn money online is Forex trading. And Forex trading is a place where you trade currencies like dollar against naira, dollar against euro, naira against euro, and the rest. You trade. When the price goes high, you take profit, and when the price comes down, you buy again. When the price goes high, that is Forex trading. And a lot of things you can do in Forex trading, like copy trading and the rest. You can copy trade like how you do it in cryptocurrency as well. You can copy the experts, the one that do the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. You can copy them instead of doing everything afresh yourself. And there are different platforms where you can do all this Forex trading. Like number 1 is OctaFS, and another one here is NS, and there are a lot of them, a lot of online Forex trading apps that you can use to trade Forex. And number 4th way on how you can make money online is affiliate marketing. Now, this 4th one is very, very crucial because you can actually affiliate in so many places. You can affiliate in YouTube, in your YouTube, in your blog. You can affiliate anywhere. So while you are making your YouTube videos and marketing yourself and all those, that you can also do affiliate marketing. So that is among the most paying ways where you can make money, millions online. There are different platforms where you can affiliate market, and there are others that act as a medium for you to affiliate market, which one of them is Expertnia. Now, Expertnia is not only affiliate marketing. When we say affiliate marketing, we don't only talk of Expertnia, we don't only mean as Expertnia. There are other ways, there are other places where you can affiliate market just by using their affiliate link, and you'll be making your money. Even Binance, you can affiliate market in Binance. There are other ways or other platforms where you can do affiliate marketing apart from Expertnia. Now, Expertnia is actually very good for those that are doing it. Yeah, they are making a lot of millions from Expertnia, but there are other ways like Amazon. You can actually make money from Amazon affiliate marketing. You can get the affiliate link and you can sell a lot of things you want to sell, and you can do it in your YouTube channels, you can do it everywhere. Affiliate marketing, just by sharing people, giving people your link, and they shop with your link, you make money as they buy things online. Other ways, even Jumia, for those in Nigeria, Africa. In Jumia, you can affiliate market in Jumia, like by joining Jumia JForce, give people your link and they buy your thing, or you buy for them and you make your own commission from it. And there are other ways, other platforms where you can affiliate market. Now this fifth one, number 5, is actually very broad, which is freelancing. Now freelancing kind of where you showcase your skill. You tell people, this is what I do, and they pay you for doing what you love doing, or doing that your skill for them, or they pay you for the service you render for them. So freelancing, they pay you for service. So there are so many apps where you can freelance, which number 1 is Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you showcase your skills and people pay you for services you render, like graphic design, logo design, website design, video editing, anything you do, anything your skill. Tell people this is what I do, they love it, they pay you, and you do for them. And not only in Fiverr, even in freelance.com you also do, and there are other freelancing apps or applications where you can actually do this and you earn money. Number 6 and the final one is Amazon KDP. KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. Now here, Amazon allows you to publish your book. Now here, you can just create a book. That thing you know very well. You can just put up a write-up about it and you put it online, and a lot of people will come, they read it or they buy it, and you make your money. Once your book starts selling, you'll be making your money, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, if you really love this video, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post interesting videos. You can check the description for more information. Are you going to try creating video on YouTube, or you are going to go into cryptocurrency, or are going to go into forex trading? Tell me in the comment section, which one are you trying first?